We didn't bring Phil this time. He's too annoying.
I know, what a show off. Like he knows everything about investing and we know nothing. It's because he took that one accounting class.
He didn't even get an A in it.
He spends too much time gelling his hair to get an A in anything.
Now, I'm understanding a lot more about investing since I started coming here. One big thing I still don't get is how do you know if a stock is good value? Like, how do people value all these stocks? Are there different ways to do it, or does everyone pretty much use the same method?
You're really getting into this, Gabriela.
Yeah, I think we should get our act together or else we're gonna end up like Mike Tyson.
What?
Didn't you know? He filed for bankruptcy.
I swear he just did a fight for 30 million.
I guess he blew it all on tigers and tattoos.
Remind me to never buy a tiger.
Got it.
If Tyson blew his money, it wasn't on bad investments, Gabriela. Like you said, he probably spent way too much.
I know, we need to do both, Matt. Make sure that we don't spend too much and invest well.
Having money is a lot of responsibility.
It is, if you want to keep it.
From first-hand experience, I know how hard it is to not spend money when you have it.
I guess Dad knows what he's doing, trying to get us used to spending and investing. Now, you know what I would like some research on? Alternative investments.
Alternative to what?
Alternative to regular investments. That's why I want more research to learn more about it. Like, what does it exactly mean and what are the opportunities available in it for me?
See how fast these meetings go without Phil?
At this point, it would be good to get my complete financial plan. All the information in one place.
Are you about done?
Yeah, I'm done.
I'm going to set up a meeting with you guys for myself so that I can get going on a financial plan too. I'll give your assistant some dates that work for me.
Bye.
Bye.